Welcome guys. In this video we are discussing MCA new of first year assignment questions, and the question number 12 is here. Before starting this question, I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions of this PDF not only for this code, we are providing all the solution of this code and other courses too. So if you need answers, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is showing on your screen below. Please kindly note this number, which is 900-936-8238. And this question number 12 is define the terms domain, codomain and range in the context of function. Also find the domain, codomain and range for function a to b, and where a is 1 2 3 4 and b is 1 4 9 16 and 25. So if you need answers of this PDF of this particular assignment or other courses, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp. We provide all the solution at your WhatsApp within a day. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video with the new question.